Hi everyone, it's your boy Ricky here for Honeybee Stamps. I hope you're doing well today and thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to be making a beach themed card. It's in July now, it's full on summer. It's time to celebrate and do all the fun things that we do in the summer. And so we're going to make a beach themed card today. So before we get started, just a few things. First, subscribe to this channel. Secondly, click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. Third, leave some comments down below. Tell me what you think about this card, about the products that I used, any ideas that you may have. And fourth, share the love. If you know someone that loves the beach, that loves the summer, that likes a cool dude and cool glasses, then go ahead and send them over this link so that they can watch this video. All right, so let's get down to the desk to see what we're going to be playing with today. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be using the Lovely Layers of Beach set. We are going to be using the cover plate, the beach break cover plate, along with the coordinating stencil with that. We're going to be using some paper from the Grab Your Passport, and we're going to be using all kinds of various colors here for the pieces in the Lovely Layers beach set. So let me get this set up and we could start the first part of the card. Okay, so for this set, I'm not going to show you cutting out all the pieces, but we're going to be using for this. Like for instance, these two are going to be used for the sunglasses. This is going to be used for the towel. This is going to be used for the handbag that's in here, the little bag. This is going to be the umbrella. So I'm going to get all of this cut out. I'm not going to do this on video, and then I'll be back and show you how to put some of these pieces together. Okay, so here we have all the pieces cut out, and we're just going to put a few of them together just so that I can show you what that looks like. And so what we'll do is we'll put the umbrella together first. It's not that hard, you guys. It's like a puzzle. You just pretty much put the glue on each part of the umbrella, and then you're just going to place it down so that it matches the embossed part of the umbrella. This also has a little circle that goes on here. So we're just going to use our little pickup tool, put some glue there, and bam. So the umbrella is done. Then we'll do the book. There we go, we got the book. And then I'll put this rest together and then I'll come back for the next step. Okay, now that we have all of our little pieces together, now it's time to do the background. So I'm going to use the cover plate here on this piece of paper, and then I'm going to use the water on this piece of paper. I'm going to run that through the die cutting machine, and then I'll be back so that we can do some ink blending. Okay, so on this piece here, we are just going to do some ink blending. I'm going to use antique linen, and we are just going to ink blend that onto the beach part of this card. So we're just going to get that on there to make it look like sand. Okay, so we have that on there, and then what I want to do is I want to take this stencil here that has like the little, I don't know if they're rocks, I think they're supposed to be rocks or maybe little pieces of sand, and I want to do some paste over this. So I'm going to use this brass doorknob here. And we're just going to do a light covering of this paste over this. All right, I'm going to go clean this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I took the stencil off. It just likes, little pieces of sand. I think that looks really cool. Okay, so now that we've done the sand, we're going to go ahead and do the water now. And we're just going to match this up to the water here. And then for here, I think I'm going to use broken china. Whoops, let's get that into the screen there. We'll use broken china. Oh, it's a little darker than I wanted it to be. It'll be fine. On the next layer, we are going to do tumbled glass. We're just gonna, and then we are going to use tumbled glass to do this part. All right, so we'll get tumbled glass, and then we're just gonna do tumbled glass for this piece. And this piece of tape is covering that. Let's try that again. There we go. There we go. So we have the water. So how this works is we are going to put some foam tape on the back of this and then put the water here. Wait, why is this cut? There we go. Thought it was cut short for a second. So we have the water, then we have the sand, and then we're going to start putting some pieces up onto the beach here. So let me get the desk ready for that. Alrighty, so we're going to start putting our card together. So the first thing we're going to do is put some foam tape on the back of the water here. Remove the backing. There we go, that looks good. And then I think we'll put some foam tape on the back of the towel maybe too. All right, we're definitely going to put the towel on foam tape. I know I want to do that. So we kind of want to do this situation, right? So then we'll need some foam tape on the back of the umbrella here. There we go. All right, so let's get the towels. Get the umbrella down. We'll use the honeybee glue here. Now that I'm looking at the card, you guys, I don't even know if I should have put like the paste on it because it's not really showing, but it'll be all right. Okay, so then we wanted the sunglasses, the book right there. And then I wanted to glue all these items into the basket and glue that one there. And then we can kind of put some foam tape on the back of this one. Alrighty, then we'll glue this down to the card base. And I'm trying to decide if I want to do a sentiment or not, because not every card really needs a sentiment. This one, you could write anything you wanted, like enjoy your summer, life's a beach, all kinds of good stuff. But we'll see what we have. Maybe we will add a sentiment, and maybe we will not. Let's take a look to see what we have. All right, cute so far. All right, so I was looking at the stamp sets. We have Rest and Relaxation here. And I'm thinking this would be a nice retirement card. So I'm thinking about doing Happy Retirement. I think that would be really fun. So let's go ahead and get that stamped out. Of course, we're going to do it on black paper with white heat embossing because that's just how we do here. And we're going to do the same old, same old. We're going to use our anti-static tool so that we know the powder doesn't stick to where it's supposed to not stick to. There we go. Then we are going to use our Happy Retirement. And because this comes with matching dies, we don't have to worry about centering it on paper. We're going to use our clear sticky ink here. We don't want to press too hard because the words are thin. We don't want to distort them. Then we're just going to dip this down into the powder because I'm lazy. That looks perfect. I'm going to heat emboss this, go ahead and die cut it, and then we'll place it onto the card, and you guys will be done with this card. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here we come. It's the final part of the card. You guys, I did add, I'll hold this up and see if you guys can see it, but I did add a touch of fancy there with the rhinestones from, it is the Grab Your Passport gemstones. And you can see I added those to the little basket here. And I think it, it just gives a little bit of color there, makes it fun. And you can see it there. I think that looks really cool. And then what we're going to do is put the final piece here. Place that right here. And you guys, the card is done. Check that out. It was pretty simple. It's pretty much all die cuts except for this one stamp here and a little bit of pasting. But I think that's super fun. We use some pattern paper for the towel and then just some colored or solid cardstock for everything else. Wasn't too hard. It's pretty easy. Did a little bit of ink blending, did a little bit of touch of fancy here to make it fun. And yeah, I really enjoy this card. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you click the links down in the description below to check out all the products that I used. Leave some comments down below. Tell me what you would do different in this card, what you liked about the card. Just let's have a little conversation. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that you know when new videos come out, and share the love. If you know someone that may like this video, go ahead and send it out to them. So until next week, I will talk to you soon. Bye.